Hey guys, this is Alex with Heavy Throttle. Today we're going to be unboxing these Method racing wheels. This is the 18x9 308 Roost wheel. This is in matte black. I'm putting on my 2010 Expedition. So we're just going to unbox it, take a quick look at it, show you just the little details, and yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox it now. This particular wheel I liked because it had a little bit larger face, which we're going to look at. It has 10 window design for the spokes. It is all aluminum construction. So it's packed very nicely here. Got lots and lots of layers, got a bag. Got the cover here, said Method Racing Wheels. Got our lip protector as well. Okay, so here's the 10 windows, embossed, has the Method Racing logo on it. It does come with center caps, which we'll show in a moment, that you can screw in here. And this is 6x135 for the Expedition. 18x9, like I said. It is 2,500 pound rating per wheel, pounds. So, and on the back, we also have a lip protector. So this is nice and protected. Doesn't come with valve stems. So if you're looking for valve stems, it does not come with that. So then we'll take out the center cap here. Take a look at this. For my Expedition, it does not fit in the rear, so we're either going to have to leave them off or get it like a 3D printer to extend this out a little bit. Got a nice little center cap there. Okay, with the tools, everything that you need goes right on there. Really nice look to it. It's a very popular wheel nowadays, the Method Racing wheels. Can't remember exactly how much they weigh, but it is on the heavy side, but it's a very large wheel. Nice construction to it. All aluminum, like I said, so at least it's not a big steel wheel or anything overly heavy. But yeah, I'm super excited to mount these up and take it into the mountains. All right, like, subscribe, see you later.